Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word adjudicate. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The judge will adjudicate the case and make a final decision on the matter. Adjudicate means to officially settle a dispute or make a formal judgment on a legal matter, typically done by an authority or judge in a court. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.